Hey guys, Alicia here. I'm going to show you a hack on how you can make a larger size and also make it 300 DPI by using iPicky.com. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you want to learn how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about making money online. Okay, so as much as I love iPicky, if you have been following me, I have been talking about this site for a year. I love it because not only is it user-friendly, it's also 100% completely free to use. So if I have built an entire brand about teaching people how to use their creativity and their design skills without having to spend any money or very little money at all. Because not everybody can afford expensive programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, although those are awesome programs. So I'm going to jump into this and just show you a little hack. And I learned this actually a while back when I was doing print on demand, Printful. So you can actually make designs. So iPicky will only allow you to go to 4,000 pixels, and that's it. Well, a lot of times we need something that's larger than that. I know with print on demand and Amazon merch, they require things to be 4,500 by 5,400, I believe. And in this design, I was working on a wedding sign. I made a card, an invitation, a wedding invitation that was rustic, and I made a sign to go along with it. So it was poster size. It was an 18 by 24. So iPicky isn't going to allow you to go that far. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We need to figure out our template size here, and then I'm going to show you what to do to fix it. I love coming to this site. It's called ninjaunits.com, and it converts inches to pixels. And also, if you ever need to convert the pixels to inches, you can also do it that way as well, right here. So I'm going to go ahead and change this here to 300 DPI, and I always put 300 here. I don't know if it's necessary. So right here, we're going to put that we want to make something 18 by 24. So I'm going to put 18 inches here. This tells me that it's 5,400. Okay, so iPicky is not going to allow us to go to 5,400, but it will allow us to go to 540. Now don't panic because we're going to fix that later on. So, and excuse my raspy voice as well. I've had some kind of something. Okay, so right here we're going to click on New, and we're going to put 540 right here. And then we're going to toggle back over here, and then we're going to put 24. Now this is telling us that we need to have 7,200. Okay, once again, iPicky is not going to allow us to go that high. So we're going to come over here, and we're just going to leave off a 0, and we're going to put 720, and we're going to click Create. So this is going to be the same dimensions. Nothing is going to change. It's just doing it a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is still proportionate. Okay, so I'm going to take the 18 by 24 sign that I made, and I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to put this on this template, okay? So this was my rustic wedding sign. And we are going to fit it in here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay, so now I'm going to hop over here to paint.net, and this is where we're able to fix it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this file. Okay, so we need to go here to Image, and we're going to go to Resize. And all you have to do right here, make sure this box is checked right here where it says Maintain Aspect Ratio. We're going to add a 0. And it went ahead and it added a 0 right here. So it is now 5400 by 7200, but we also want this to be 300. And then it shows you right here, it is an 18 by 24. So we're going to click OK. And it looks like I didn't drag this over far enough on the... I actually designed this originally, and I just wanted to show you how to do this. So I originally designed it on where everything was covered on there. And then we're just going to save this again, and then we're going to just override this. And we'll click Save. Okay, so now I'm going to actually show you. I'm going to close out of it. And we're going to open it back up again. And we're just going to double check that this is indeed the correct size. And sure enough, so it saved it. So it is now 5400 by 7200 in pixels with 300 resolution, and it is an 18 by 24. So I hope this was helpful, and if you do have any questions or comments or anything like that, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to join my Facebook group, which is Etsy Passive Income. Make sure you answer the 2 questions, and we will allow you in the group. And I wanted to show you one more thing about mock-ups. So when I did this, these were wedding mock-ups, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the editor. I'm going to discard this design. Let me go to the photo editor. And I'm going to edit this. So this is a wedding sign mock-up, and this part of it is a PNG. So I'm going to click here on the layering tool, and this is how you add it to a mock-up photo. So I'm just going to fit it here. And then there we go. So that makes it look better. So when you're listing items on Etsy, you want to make sure that you include the mock-up photo as your first image, because that is the first image people are going to see when they purchase your product. So that is how you make a poster. Leave your questions, comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great day.